Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are turning humble peanuts into a rich and delicious peanut barfi that looks festive, tastes amazing, and requires only a handful of ingredients. The texture is soft yet slightly crunchy, making every bite absolutely satisfying. Start with 2 cup peanuts. Roast them gently on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Roast peanut on low heat for the best flavor. Stirring continuously until they become aromatic. Allow them to cool completely. Now rub and remove the skin. Peanut sweets are popular across many regions of South Asia. A strainer or spoon works perfectly for this step. Transfer the peanuts into a blender. Pulse a few times until you get a slightly coarse powder. Keep it aside. In a pan, combine 1 cup sugar and half cup water. Bring it to a boil. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the syrup reaches one string consistency. Watch the sugar syrup carefully to reach one string consistency. Now add the ground peanuts. Mix continuously as the mixture starts to thicken. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and keep stirring. Soon the mixture will leave the sides of the pan and come together beautifully. Transfer it into a baking paper. Allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Smooth the mixture with baking paper. Roll gently. And cut into classic diamond shape. Cut the barfi while it's still slightly warm for neat edges. Peanut naturally contain protein and healthy fat. Homemade sweets allow better ingredients control. The traditional diamond shape is known as cutlery style cutting. Using a small amount of ghee adds flavor without excess richness. Making sweets at home avoids many preservatives and additives. Finish with a layer of silver leaf for a festive touch. And just like that, your homemade peanut barfi is ready. Homemade barfi often tastes fresher than store-bought version. Your peanut barfi is now ready to serve. Simple ingredients, beautiful presentation, and incredible flavor. Would you enjoy this with a cup of tea or after dinner as a sweet treat? Let me know in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more traditional sweets, festive treats, and easy homemade recipes.